Welcome to the magnificent Yellowstone National Park, a land of wonders, world firsts, and hidden secrets. Did you know? Yellowstone boasts North America's oldest supervolcano, but could it actually erupt? Yellowstone is home to the world's largest collection of geysers, including the iconic Old Faithful, which erupts like clockwork. The park is also teeming with diverse wildlife and covers a vast expanse that stretches across Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, with an area of over 9,000 square kilometers. Yellowstone is not only the first national park in the United States, but also the first national park in the world. Let's explore Yellowstone's world records, American firsts, and the incredible hidden stories that make it truly awe-inspiring. 1. One of the world's largest active volcanoes. Yellowstone National Park, situated within the Yellowstone caldera, spans across Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, covering 9,000 square kilometers. It sits atop a massive underground magma reservoir, making the geothermal activity incredibly active. The park's volcanic history includes 3 major eruptions over the past 2.1 million years. Approximately 2.1 million years ago. Approximately 1.3 million years ago. Approximately 640,000 years ago. Each of these eruptions caused large-scale caldera collapses, shaping Yellowstone's stunning plateaus and volcanic landscapes. The underground magma system continues to fuel the park's vibrant geysers, hot springs, and geothermal features. Furthermore, the glacial movements from the ice ages shaped the Yellowstone terrain, resulting in the formation of unique valleys, pristine lakes, and spectacular canyons. 2. Could the Yellowstone supervolcano erupt? Scientists believe the Yellowstone supervolcano may potentially erupt at some point in the future, although the exact timing remains impossible to predict. How catastrophic would such an eruption be? A single eruption could release over 1,000 cubic kilometers of ash and magma. In comparison, the eruption of Mount St. Helens in 1980 only released about 1 cubic kilometer of volcanic material. If an eruption of this scale occurred, it would result in a global catastrophe. The surrounding hundreds of kilometers would face widespread destruction of wildlife and human structures. Additionally, volcanic ash could blanket the entire United States, spreading across the globe, causing a volcanic winter and food shortages, which would significantly alter global ecology, climate, and social structures. However, the likelihood of such a massive eruption is extremely low. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, the annual probability of a supereruption happening at Yellowstone is less than 0.00014%, making it an exceptionally rare event. Even if such an eruption were possible, it would require thousands of years to accumulate sufficient magma. At present, there are no indicators of an imminent eruption, reassuring us of the current stability of Yellowstone's volcanic activity. Let's continue exploring the awe-inspiring landscapes and marvels of Yellowstone, celebrating its natural beauty and scientific wonders. 3. The earliest inhabitants, Native Americans. The Yellowstone region has been home to Native American communities for approximately 11,000 years. These indigenous people relied on the region's hot springs, lakes, and natural resources to sustain their lives, utilizing the land in a way that respected its environment and ensured harmony with nature. 4. European exploration and discovery. During the 1800s, European explorers began to venture into the Yellowstone area. A pivotal moment occurred in 1869 with the Folsom Expedition, which meticulously documented the natural wonders of Yellowstone. Their observations highlighted the park's stunning landscapes and geothermal features, paving the way for greater awareness and interest in Yellowstone's unique natural attributes. 5. America's and the world's first national park. In 1872, the U.S. Congress established Yellowstone as the world's first national park, setting the stage for preserving unique natural and geological resources. Today, Yellowstone continues to draw 4 to 5 million visitors each year from around the globe, eager to witness its breathtaking landscapes and geothermal marvels. 6. The world's largest concentration of geysers. Yellowstone boasts over 500 geysers, accounting for approximately half of the world's geysers. The most famous of these, Old Faithful, is known for its predictable eruptions that have been occurring for thousands of years. Standing before Old Faithful, it feels as if time stands still. The rhythmic eruptions, a column of steaming water surging skyward, symbolize the park's deep connection to the Earth's inner forces. After each eruption, a serene calm takes over as the geyser's power diminishes, with the water flowing into small streams that silently meander away. This spectacular scene unfolds every 90 minutes, as if nature itself has honored an eternal promise. Seven. The world's most stunning hot spring, Grand Prismatic Spring. The Grand Prismatic Spring is one of Yellowstone's most striking natural wonders. Renowned for its vivid rainbow-like colors, it is the largest hot spring in the U.S. and among the largest in the world. The stunning hues, deep blue, vibrant green, rich orange, and fiery red, result from microorganisms that thrive in different temperature zones. The deep blue center indicates the hottest temperatures, while the orange edges represent the more heat-resistant microorganisms. This phenomenon highlights how life can adapt to extreme geothermal conditions. 8. North America's largest natural ecosystem. Yellowstone is a crucial habitat for iconic animals, including grizzly bears, wolves, bison, and elk. In the park's vast grasslands, forests, valleys, and lakes, these animals thrive, freely roaming, feeding, and reproducing. Yellowstone's biodiversity not only draws tourists, but also scientists who study ecological interactions and species recovery efforts. Yellowstone serves as a vital natural laboratory, helping species recover from endangered statuses and showcasing the resilience of interconnected ecosystems. Nine. Yellowstone Lake, North America's largest and highest mountain lake. Yellowstone Lake, situated at an altitude of around 2,357 meters, spans approximately 35,400 hectares, with a 227-kilometer shoreline. Encircled by majestic forests and mountains, its tranquil surface acts like a mirror, reflecting skyline scenery and natural beauty. Under the lake's surface, geothermal features such as hot springs and geysers reveal Yellowstone's intricate connection to the park's other geothermal regions. Yellowstone Lake's underwater features serve not only as a spectacular natural phenomenon, but also as a crucial point of study for scientists exploring Earth's geothermal and volcanic activities. These natural wonders reflect the complex geological, ecological, and hydrothermal forces that make Yellowstone a unique and invaluable scientific and environmental treasure. The stunning landscapes of Yellowstone Lake offer a year-round natural experience, serving as a sanctuary for numerous bird species, fish, and wildlife. 11. The Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. The Grand Canyon of Yellowstone is a breathtaking natural landmark, famous for its vividly colored rock walls and majestic waterfalls. Spanning approximately 32 kilometers with a depth of 300 meters, its unique yellow and orange rocks were formed through volcanic activity and hydrothermal processes. The upper and lower falls, with heights of 33 meters and 94 meters, generate breathtaking water mist that interacts with sunlight, creating dreamlike rainbows. From Artist Point, you get a clear view of the golden rock walls and the winding Yellowstone River, a testament to nature's artistry and power. This location is a geological and ecological treasure trove, recording volcanic history, hydrothermal activity, and river erosion, showcasing the complex forces that shape our planet over millennia. 12. Mammoth Hot Springs. Mammoth Hot Springs is a stunning geothermal feature known for its terraced calcium deposits. These terraces, created by the deposition of calcium carbonate from hot spring water, form an otherworldly landscape of white, orange, and golden layers. The terraces resemble a natural sculpture, with water gently flowing down the steps, steam rising, and a mystical atmosphere enveloping the area. The constantly shifting geothermal activity here highlights the dynamic beauty of Yellowstone's natural landscape, a perfect example of the Earth's artistic forces at work. 13. Norris Geyser Basin. The Norris Geyser Basin is one of Yellowstone's oldest and hottest geothermal areas, known for its dynamic and active geothermal features. Its landscape seems almost otherworldly, with sulfur-scented steam, vibrant geothermal pools, and erupting geysers creating a stunningly unique visual experience. Norris boasts the world's tallest geyser, the Steamboat Geyser, which can shoot water up to 90 meters high. The basin is divided into two main areas. Porcelain Basin, featuring a white, alien-like terrain, it offers a surreal landscape of geothermal activity. Back Basin, a hidden paradise where geysers and hot pools are nestled within dense forests, creating a secretive and enchanting atmosphere. This geothermal activity not only fascinates visitors, but also showcases the underlying forces of Yellowstone's volcanic and hydrothermal energy. 14. Hayden Valley. Hayden Valley is a vast, scenic expanse located in the heart of Yellowstone. It's characterized by intertwining rivers and wetlands, creating a perfect habitat for wildlife to thrive. Hayden Valley is one of the best places to observe iconic animals, including bison, elk, wolves, grizzly bears, and various waterfowl. During early mornings and evenings, the valley comes alive with soft light, presenting a tranquil yet dynamic scene that offers visitors a chance to connect with nature and witness the raw vitality of Yellowstone's wilderness. 16. Yellowstone's largest wild bison herd. Yellowstone is home to the largest wild bison herd in the U.S., featuring massive bison with powerful bodies and curved horns. Historically, Native Americans relied on these bison for food, clothing, tools, and shelter materials. As of 2023, Yellowstone National Park is home to approximately 5,000 bison, distributed between two main herds. The northern herd comprises around 3,819 individuals, while the central herd is smaller, with about 1,156 bison. These herds represent one of the largest remaining populations of free-ranging, genetically pure bison in North America, living and migrating freely across Yellowstone's vast landscapes. These bison roam freely across Yellowstone's extensive plains, valleys, and forests, contributing to the park's thriving ecosystem and biodiversity. 17. Human intervention. Introduction of wolves. Many of Yellowstone's ecosystems have been shaped by human intervention, particularly the reintroduction of the wolf population in 1995. This reintroduction led to significant ecological changes, such as controlling elk populations, promoting vegetation recovery. Wolves have helped maintain a balanced ecosystem, ensuring that bison and other species coexist in harmony with the environment, showcasing Yellowstone's role as a living ecological experiment. And that wraps up our journey through the incredible wonders of Yellowstone National Park. Elephant from the awe-inspiring power of geothermal features like the Old Faithful and Grand Prismatic Spring, to the breathtaking landscapes of Yellowstone Lake and the diverse wildlife roaming freely across the plains, every corner of this park is a testament to nature's beauty and resilience. If you enjoyed exploring Yellowstone with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can join us on our next adventure. And of course, let us know in the comments which Yellowstone wonder you'd love to see up close. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and celebrate the beauty of our planet.